In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Zoho CRM Imap configuration. This is a useful setup when you want Zoho CRM to connect to your email system and work with incoming mail in a smooth and reliable way. You will be following a simple series of actions inside Zoho CRM, so please make sure you are logged into your Zoho CRM account before you begin. To start, click the Setup option, which is represented by the gear icon in Zoho CRM. Take a moment to look for that gear symbol, usually located near the top area of the interface. Clicking it opens the Settings area where you can manage channels and email-related configurations. This is where the IMAP connection will be created, so it is an important first step. Next, go to the Email section. You will see it under the Channels or Communication-related options within the settings. Since the setup you are doing is specifically for email connections, choosing the correct email area helps ensure you see the right screens. When you open email, you are getting closer to the part where Zoho will guide you through configuring Gmail using IMAP. Now click Get Started. This button starts the email channel setup process. After you click it, you will be prompted to select which email provider you want to connect. In this tutorial, you will choose Gmail, because the configuration option you need is designed for that provider and its IMAP settings. After you select Gmail, choose IMAP from the configuration options. This step matters because IMAP is the method that allows email messages to sync between your email server and Zoho CRM. When you select IMAP, Zoho prepares the form and workflow needed for connecting your mailbox correctly. It also ensures the integration behaves as expected when new emails arrive. Then click Configure. This action confirms that you want to proceed with the IMAP setup using the options you selected. At this point, Zoho CRM will present the connection fields required to link to your email account. If you see a connection form or setup page appear, that is exactly what you expect at this stage. Now enter your email address and password in the fields provided. For security and best practice, enter the correct information exactly as requested by the form. You will not need to remember or reuse anything outside this screen. After you enter the details, make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end of what you typed, since that can cause connection issues. After that, click Connect or Continue. This tells Zoho CRM to test the connection using the IMAP configuration and your provided login details. You may see a brief status update while Zoho checks access. If the connection is successful, you will move to the final part of the setup, where you control how emails are shared with Zoho CRM. Next, choose your email sharing permission level and click Save. This permission setting determines how email content is made available inside Zoho CRM. It is important to select the option that matches how you want Zoho CRM to access messages. Once you choose the correct permission level, click Save to store the configuration and finalize the IMAP channel setup. That is all there is to it. After saving, your Zoho CRM IMAP configuration should be ready, and you can return to your channels or email settings to confirm it is connected successfully.